Why? Why not? Hold on, Billy, hold your fire!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.